Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to build an app using Bolt.new. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to come over to Bolt.new, and I suggest signing up or creating an account here in Bolt.new so you can save your work. So as you can see, I'm logged in here. Now once we've logged in or created an account, it's going to say, what would you build today? Create stunning apps and websites by chatting with AI. How cool. Okay, so in this chat box, basically you want to put in your prompt. So this can be anything. So for this demonstration, I'm going to put in, create me a simple baby app, and then go ahead and click on build now. Now this is going to go ahead and build me that application. This might take a few minutes to run. So what I've done, I've already run this code just previously so we can save time. So now this is going to go ahead and start thinking and start creating that application for me. So I'm going to click out of that, and now here it is here. So as I said, I've done it earlier. So what it's done, it's created me this simple baby tracking app. So feeding, diaper, sleep, where we can go ahead and put in feed, diaper and stuff. And on the left hand side, it's going to say what it's done. Now you can see the code editor to the left and a live preview on the right, and also a chat panel on the bottom. This is where you can talk to AI to make changes to your application or website. So basically, if you want to make changes, we can go ahead and say, if I want to go ahead and change the home screen, I can say, so basically I've said here, include these screens: a navigation home screen, big buttons for sleep, nursing, bottle, diaper, pumping. Each button opens a small form of a login, so add entry. So I'm just changed it. So what it's going to do, it's going to come down here and start setting up the Bolt database schema, listing database tables, and now I'll rebuild the app with all the requested screens and features using a modern design with Bolt database for data persistence. So basically you just want to talk to Bolt to make changes on the right. Now if we want to go ahead and add images, we can. So if you've got a custom logo or images you want to add, just go ahead and click on the plus icon, attach file. Say if I want to go ahead and use my logo, this is just for demonstration purposes, I could say, can you add this logo on the home screen? This is going to be my brand's logo for the application, and I want this to be consistent throughout the app. And now once you're happy with the app, we want to go ahead and click onto the publish button here, and then it will say app is not published yet. We want to go ahead and publish on the web or app store. And now also, if we want to go ahead and add payments, we can. So we click onto the little gear icon, and then I'll say integrations. We can add payments to your projects. So from here we can go ahead and enter your Stripe API key. If you don't know where it is, you can go to your Stripe dashboard in a new browser and look for API keys and add in the API keys that start with either s_test or s_live. So this is just a quick rundown of how to build apps inside of Bolt.new. I can go more in depth, but I just want to keep this app, this tutorial quite quick and clean.